This question was asked in Facebook Fusion group, but I think it's a very common situation when you need to make arc or circle tangent to the spline. Unfortunately, Fusion doesn't have tangency constraint for the splines. You can select spline as a tangency object for any other sketch entity. So you have to determine where is radius or diameter of this circle to make it accurately tangent to the spline. Very simple solution proposed by Swami is just make measure between these two objects. It's a correct way to make it accurately is this. Yeah, exactly this. So this is distance, it will be our radius of our tangency circle in this situation. But if you want parametric, make it parametric, updatable Fusion parametric engine, you have to make some trick to solve this issue. You have to go to the surface mode and surface workspace and say extrude this spline into surface. Doesn't matter how long it is. And then you can create new sketch. It can be at any plane, but I will make it for the same plane as original sketch. And in this sketch you can use create project to surface. You select this extruded surface as face. Then you select center of the circle as projected geometry, and you select project type of the project as closest point. And this will project the center to the closest point of this surface. And this will be exactly the point of tangency. So you can make, say, OK. You have this point. Fine, OK. Let's remove the entire sketch. And you can build circle from this center to this point. And this will be tangent to the given spline. Unfortunately, this solution is not fully parametric still, because if you will, say, adjust this spline somehow, say moving this point a little, and say OK, Fusion will lost tangency again. So you have to adjust this sketch and remind it what you have be coincident to this point. So you have manually adjusted. I think same will happen if you will try to adjust this distance. Again, you have to fix this manually by resetting tangent coincident constraint. Don't know why Fusion lost this coincidence each time, but I think it's closest possible solution for this problem available in Fusion for now, with using only sketch tools and without manually entering any values like radiuses for the circle and so on. So hope it will be helpful for you. If you can provide better solution, let me know, write something in comments, and I will update this video. Thank you for attention. Have a good luck.